He's got him. Inside edge. Was causing problems in the opening over, and now the indecisiveness of Chris Gayle has a few stunned here at Beausejour.
What has this done? Not a great deal. It's wide of the off stump. This time it comes off the inside edge. We've seen Chris Gayle succumb.
Every ball, that run rate goes up. Straight up in the air, Sangakkara takes the catch. Oh yes, Multan Sultans are getting closer to the victory here.
Oh, bowled him! Lovely in dipper from Junaid Khan. He gets the batsman, he gets the big one. Sehwag is gone for 4, and what a ball. No footwork, great.
Where you could see all 3 stumps, with Sehwag's front leg being outside the line of the leg stump. His pitch is in line, and Sehwag with the angle of the bat, he was looking to play behind square on the offside. It's an angle bat, so there was a big gap between the bat and pad, and he's gone right through.
Brilliant, brilliant change of angle, perfect Yorker, and that's why I think he is the most complete in terms of a skill set of the left-hand seamers on show.
Brilliant bowling, absolutely brilliant. Warmed up to the task. Yeah, look at the passion and the joy, because he picked up a big wicket.
Shimmy down the wicket, up in the air, men underneath it, taken quite comfortably.
Was anything but, because it's been sliced away. It'll be spinning rapidly.
Well, how about third wicket? And agony. So going like skittles.
They're even getting them with full tosses on leg stump now. Even low on the bat, not quite in the middle. Shazad, geez, they're practicing their celebrations.
Back hitting a boundary.
Oh, wow. Junaid Khan, absolutely fantastic.
Needs support from the fielders with all the 3 dismissals. You see all 3 of them bowled, and this one coming back in. A classical delivery. Isn't he a happy man? He's delighted. He's going through a great spell here, Junaid Khan.
He's lost shape. We've got 2 in a row, and Junaid Khan's on a...
This is what they do not need. Coming off the splice, is trying to go over mid-off. Imran K's lost control of it. Taken quite comfortably as well by Leicester.
He's got it! It's the hat-trick. Junaid Khan and Wasim Akram stands for his team and for his man. It's only the 2nd hat-trick in the HBL PSL.
Hello, straight up. This should be out. Who wants it? Fielder. Good catch. Another very good catch in the deep, because I tell you they ain't.
Look at the top edge. Went straight up in the air. Who wants it? A good catch in the end, man.
Yuvraj Singh, another one bites the dust. This is an incredible spell from Pakistan and from Junaid Khan. Is shadow practicing the straight drive that he should have played.
And all of them bowled. He's looking to play across the line, closing the face to the bat a little too early. He's going through a terrific spell. He's got off the full face of the bat and playing through.
In my opinion.
Sounded good. And it's out though.
$1 million stroke, but he's also going to lose him $1 million. He's going to... Wow. Was there any need for him to go big? Perhaps not. But had he got it all the way, it would have been a